It's the original Batman.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, so today we'll be using this JamRock palette. I'm so excited to use this palette. It's amazing. I've been wanting this palette for a while now and I finally got it. Look at these colors, they're beautiful. Look at them. That plastic is annoying me right there, but the colors are amazing. So let's see the look I'll be creating today. So I'll be using those two purples, putting that right into my crease as you guys see me doing here. I'm using the lighter one first and then the darker one. I know both of them look dark, but one is actually darker than one. So going in with the lighter one and then the dark one on top of it and just blend that out. Alright.
Original Batman. Oh.
It's VQs.
Aye. Gucci on the Prada, say me feeling bad. I be looking like the nigga that you wish you had. Them my girls, them a coming, them a looking bad. Man, I rolling with my niggas and we moving mad. So me light on up and put it up till the morning. Them I know that your mind, so they be stalling. And I be always there to answer whenever you're calling. And you always hold me down whenever it's boring. So sexy when you think about, I can't tell me nothing. What you talk about? Man, I light you up, you will turn me on. Man, I play my song, you will sing along. You got me elevated like I hit the bomb. 007, man, I James Bond. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire. Girl, them I want a bad man, put a ring on it.
So after we cut that crease, we're going in with colors. I'm using green, yellow, and blue. A point on bling, but I didn't use that yellow. I used pasa pasa, not bling, guys. Pasa pasa, yeah. And with this palette, guys, you don't have to be building up a lot to get that nice pigment that you want. This palette is amazing. You guys been hearing me saying this palette is amazing because it is. You don't need a lot, and the colors that you see in the palette, it shows the same color on your face. Look at that yellow. Normally the yellows that I've been using, I have to build it up like about 50 million on one time to get that perfect yellow. But look at that green. Look at that green. Guys, just get the palette, please. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. I'm in love with it.
Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire. Yeah. Don't know. Oh yeah.
It's the original Batman.
One time, it's a Batman thing. It's body, baby. VQs, let's go.
VQs.
I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane.
These colors are amazing. This palette is wonderful. If you guys don't have this JamRock palette, you guys need to get one. It's amazing. The colors are awesome. They are very pigmented. Right, look at that. Guys, just leave a comment down below and tell me how I did on this eyeshadow look. Tell me if your girl is killing it. Right, so just comment down below. Show some love in the comments, guys, and don't forget to like this video. You guys know my foundation routine, so just continue watching and see the complete look.
I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. Standard. Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you. Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you. Tell them I'm the realest, then they feel me. Kill him on the rhythm, then they feel me. I'm always all about my business. I got my business and will never ever finish. She know be want to test in my style. Say she wanna throw the dice, body looking nice. From my hips down to her thighs. Then I look her in her eyes. One time, say she no one waste time. Bad man, me not give her one time, night time. Say she want me for lifetime. Bad man, me not give her the pipeline. Enter the place, they be feeling her body. Swinging and moving and killing her body. She ain't got nothing to prove. She ain't got nothing to lose. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. Hurricane, ooh.
It's the original Batman.
Original Batman, oh.
It's VQs.
Aye. Gucci on the Prada, say me feeling bad. I be looking like the nigga that you wish you had. Them my girls, them a coming, them a looking bad. Man, I rolling with my niggas and we moving mad. So me light on up and put it up till the morning. Them I know that your mind, so they be stalling. And I be always there to answer whenever you're calling. And you always hold me down whenever it's boring. So sexy when you think about. I can't tell me nothing. What you talk about? Man, I light you up, you will turn me on. Man, I play my song, you will sing along. You got me elevated, like I hit the bomb. 007, man, I James Bond. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire. Girl, them I want a bad man, put a ring on it. You're the only one me I really gotta think of. Trust me when I say you're the only one I feel for. Wine for me, girl, them I really try confuse me. For the money, me not flip on your head. You got a thing that go Chris for a man. I got the money, so they sing for me, girl. Wine for me, girl, she a wine for me, man. Now if you lose control, you got the fire can cool, let's get the groove on. On a cruise control, let the vibes come true, let's make a move on. Them really wanna stress up on me. Bad man, them really can't stress up on me. I really wanna test man for it. Bad man, them really wanna test me man for it. Get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire.
Yeah. Don't know. Oh yeah.
It's the original Batman.
One time, it's a bad man thing. It's body, baby. VQs, let's go.
It's VQs.
I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can.
Standard.
Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you. Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to tell them I'm the realest, then they feel me. Kill him on the rhythm, then they feel me. I'm always all about my business. I got my business and will never ever finish. She know be want to test in my style. Say she wanna.
Look how beautiful I look. I love this look so much. The colors were amazing. The palette is Amazing, right? You guys need to get it. And do you guys like my intro? If you guys like it, leave a comment down below and tell me you guys like it. And if you guys like my outro as well, comment down below and tell a girl how she did. Bye guys.